In this video, we're going to reveal to you the shocking truth that you're going to earn on Facebook when you reach a 4.5 million views. Coming up. Before we even proceed in showing you guys the stats of how much did we earn from a 4.5 million views on Facebook, we're going to share to you first like the criteria you need to hit in order for you to be eligible for Facebook ad revenue. They call it ad breaks, so it's the same thing. It's like an ad revenue. So there are two qualifications that you need to hit first before you get eligible. Number one is that you need to have 10,000 page followers. Okay, so when you hit a 10,000 page followers, congratulations, you are one step ahead in achieving monetization in Facebook videos. The second one is you need to have 30,000 1-minute views within 60 days. Okay, so Jan, what do you mean when you say 1-minute view? How does it vary with the views that you're seeing on your post on your feed? Well, that's a very good question. The thing that you're seeing when you say 4.5 million views, that's what you see on the data. That's like the face value of it. That's actually a 3-second view. That means when the person watched your video and then they exceeded 3 seconds, they're going to count that as a view. Get it? So yes, it doesn't mean that 4.5 million views, all of the 4.5 million finished your video. No, that's not the case. It only means that you have 4.5 million people or instances that watched your video after 3 seconds. All right? So that is why we're going to show you the back-end analytics so that you have an understanding as to how much did you earn in terms of that number of views. Here we go, guys. I'm going to reveal to you the amount right now, and you may be shocked. From a 4.5 million view, we posted this last January 2019, and as of this recording, it's like 4 months in. And the amount that we got from that specific video was only $269.15. Yes. And now we're going to show you the back-end analytics so that you have an idea how it works and how you can get that number. Here we go. Alright guys, as you can see here on the web page, we are now the back-end of our Facebook page, which is called The Present. We go to Insights, and now we are in the posts. And this is the video that I'm talking about. It was launched last January 2019. As of this recording, it's April 19, so it's almost like 4 months that this video has been running. So let's see the data behind this. All you have to do is click the video, and it's going to show you the data. Okay, 3-second video views, we have 4.5 million people. This is the number of people that watched the video, well, after 3 seconds. They count it as a view. That's the standards of Facebook. And then we have the 10-second video views, 2 million people. And then we also have the estimated earnings. So it's not really estimated, that's the amount that you get, $269.15. Try to imagine, from the 4.5 million people who watched it after 3 seconds, this is the amount that you get, $269.15. But let's clear something out first. How Facebook ads work on your videos is that it's going to show up between 1 minute and 1 minute and 6 seconds. That's the time that the ads will be shown to your audience every time you put out video content, and that's the time that you're going to get paid. Plus, your video has to be at least 3 minutes in order for Facebook to allow you to earn ad revenue from it. Okay? What I'm trying to say is $269.15 is not coming from the 4.5 million. It's coming from the people or the instances, like 1 minute views did you get. Get it? So what we're going to do right now is go to audience retention for us to see how many people watched it between 60 seconds and 66 seconds. So let's see right here. Let's just use this data. There you go. between 59 seconds and 1 minute and 4 seconds, there's an audience retention of 13.6%. Out of the 4.5 million, only 13.6% are retained while watching your video. Let's do the math. 4.5 million, you multiply that by 0.13. That means there's 585,000 people who watched your video after 1 minute, between 1 minute and 1 minute and 6 seconds. This is the number that you're going to get. Okay? Now, if you want to see how much you're earning per video or per view, let's do the math once again. So remember this, 585,000. The amount of money that we earned was 269.15. You divide that by 585,000 and then you multiply 100%. That means for every person, for every instance, you earn $0.04. That's 4 cents. Okay? This is why it's a shocking truth for everybody, because you may think, all right, if we have millions of views, we're going to earn a lot of money. That's not really the case. As you can see here, we just did the math. Now that you've seen the back-end analytics, this is one proof for everybody right now who's planning to start your Facebook page or even start your career as a content creator. This is a good example and like a wake-up call for everybody that when you rely only on ad revenue, it's not a good idea, right? First of all, it's very hard to reach 4.5 million views. We got lucky, right? We got lucky that that video went viral. However, we are pretty sure that it's not going to happen all the time. And so when you rely on ad revenue as your only primary income source, you're going to have a lot of problems. Okay, so use that as an extra income, but it's not the income that you are relying in terms of how you're going to sustain your content creator career or your business. Okay, so that's like a very good important note that we have to understand as a content creator. By the way, if you see value in this video, all you have to do is like it so that we know that we are creating an impact to your life as a content creator. At the same time, leave your thoughts in the comment section. At least we know what you're thinking about, and we're going to do our best to respond to you as well. And the most important part is for you to smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to get notified by smashing that bell icon as well. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you on the next videos.